Mass timber has gained momentum in the construction industry as a sustainable and versatile alternative to traditional building materials. However, myths and misconceptions around its structural and physical properties persist. In this video, we'll explore some common myths and the truths behind them, shedding light on the true capabilities of mass timber. A common misconception is that mass timber lacks strength compared to traditional building materials like steel and concrete. However, mass timber products have one of the best strength-to-weight ratios of any building material. This impressive attribute allows structures to handle substantial loads without excessive weight. Skeptics often question the feasibility of mass timber in high-rise construction. Contrary to this belief, even pure mass timber buildings can already achieve significant heights, thanks to advancements in engineering and material science. Hybrid constructions, such as the one used in the 85.4 meter high Mjøstårnet in Norway, which combine mass timber with other materials like concrete or steel, push the boundaries even further, enabling architects to design tall buildings while reaping the sustainability benefits of using timber. In seismic zones, structural performance is of course very critical. The misconception that mass timber underperforms during earthquakes overlooks its unique benefits. Properly designed and constructed mass timber buildings exhibit excellent seismic performance, absorbing and dissipating energy effectively due to their flexibility and ductility. While wood is denser than some might assume, mass timber's impressive strength-to-weight ratio minimize foundation loads. In fact, the load demands on foundations for mass timber buildings are often much smaller than those for concrete buildings, making mass timber suitable even for sites with challenging soil conditions. Soundproofing is a common concern in mass timber buildings. While it is true that wood is less dense than steel or concrete, soundproofing solutions do exist. Integrating soundproofing materials into mass timber products is very straightforward, and adding some density to key areas can further enhance acoustic performance. With these strategies, mass timber can meet or exceed acoustic requirements for various building types. The fear of fire hazards often deters developers from choosing mass timber, yet the material has built-in fire resistance. Wood develops a char layer when burned, which insulates the core and slows combustion. Fire performance can be further enhanced by adding protective layers such as gypsum boards, though this might compromise the natural aesthetics and air quality of the interior space. These measures make sure mass timber structures meet stringent fire safety standards without compromising on performance or design flexibility. Another myth suggests that mass timber structures underperform in terms of thermal insulation compared to traditional building materials, but it's actually quite the opposite. Even though timber structures heat up and cool down faster as they have lower densities, mass timber offers superior thermal performance thanks to its cellular composition, often reducing long-term heating and cooling loads in buildings. Its natural insulating properties make it an excellent choice for energy-efficient construction. Concerns about indoor air quality arise from the potential release of volatile organic compounds or VOCs from the adhesives used in manufacturing. While it's true that VOC levels may be higher in newly constructed buildings, these levels diminish quickly over time. Moreover, mass timber contributes to excellent long-term indoor air quality thanks to its natural properties and compatibility with non-toxic finishes. By selecting low VOC adhesives and finishes during production, designers can further enhance the indoor environment, ensuring comfort and health for occupants and visitors. Go take a look on the TimberTalk Patreon page, since we now have a new mind map for the myths and misconceptions surrounding mass timber. And don't forget to subscribe for more information on mass timber architecture.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.